Will your thesis fail a plagiarism check, even if you didn't copy a single sentence? Surprisingly, yes, it can. Most universities use plagiarism detection software like Turnitin or Authenticate, but these systems don't actually detect intent. They scan for text similarity. That means if your wording closely matches published studies, online sources, or even previously submitted theses, your paper can still be flagged, even if you wrote it yourself. Many students accidentally paraphrase too closely. They change a few words, but keep the original sentence structure. The software highlights it. Another common issue is missing quotation marks or incomplete citations. Even a properly cited text can increase your similarity percentage if not formatted correctly. There's also something called self-plagiarism. If you reuse parts of your old assignments or published work without proper referencing, it can still appear as a match. And here's the reality. A high similarity score doesn't automatically mean academic misconduct, but it raises red flags. Examiners may manually review your thesis, and that can delay approval or create unnecessary stress. That's why simply writing it yourself isn't enough. Your thesis needs a professional review before submission. At Thesis-Edit.com, we carefully review your document, improve paraphrasing, ensure proper citation formatting, reduce the risk of similarity, and help you submit with confidence. We don't just edit grammar, we protect your academic integrity. Before you submit your thesis, make sure it's safe, polished, and ready. Visit Thesis-Edit.com today, because your hard work deserves approval, not risk.